Welcome back to Money Mondays with Melissa. I brought Rob Flower, who is a loan officer with Associated Mortgage Bankers, back over today to talk about the current state of the mortgage market. Rob, I get a lot of buyers freaking out because when they first got pre-approved, the interest rate may have been 4% or just under 4%, and now they're looking at somewhere around 4.5%. What do you tell buyers in that case?
I make sure that, one, that they're still approved, that they speak to their loan officer, preferably me, and that they are still approved and still comfortable with the payments. But I also remind them that when they say interest rates are so high, that they're still at historic lows. 4.5% is a fantastic rate right now.
Yeah, absolutely. I remember when 6% was considered a historic low.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, where do you see interest rates going?
The experts say interest rates are going to continue to climb. Nobody's sure where they're going to go to, possibly 3 to 4 rate hikes, which impact mortgage rates. 10-year treasuries are what dictate the direction of rates. So the experts are stating that they feel rates still have some room to rise. Where they'll settle, nobody knows.
Okay, fair enough. Now, what do you tell a buyer that, or somebody that's maybe on the fence about buying? Like, what should they take into consideration when it comes to interest rate and pricing?
Well, don't forget that if they're looking at a house now for $500,000, as rates climb, their affordability goes down.
Yeah.
So, meaning that when a buyer sees a house at $500,000 and the rates right now are 4.5%, that payment is going to increase as rates increase. Home prices may come down a little bit, but it's still going to cost them more with a higher interest rate over time. So don't be afraid. Get into the market. Even if they feel prices are a little higher, it's okay. Rates are still low.
Or in the reverse, maybe the house that they're looking at may not be in the 500 range. Maybe they're really in the 550 range as to what they really want. You may want to consider looking at that house before interest rates get higher and that house ends up being more expensive, not just because of the price, but more because of the interest rate, correct?
Very true. Absolutely correct.
All right. So if people have more questions about loans or mortgage market, how to get a loan, it's getting pre-approved, how can they reach you?
They can reach me on my cell phone anytime, 917-584-9292. It's on all the time. So nights, weekends, whenever. I'm always available.
That's the unfortunate truth about real estate.
Yes, it is.
Until next time, guys, I'll see you on Money Mondays with Melissa.